Yeah, run up the bills, I got all the skill, no, I'm tryna kill niggas. I'm just tryna feel it, don't feel real. Get hit in the hip, get hit in the lip, get hit in the head, get hit in the neck. I see pyramids, hieroglyphics, all type of shit. Don't touch that stove, use the oven mitt. Yeah, remember back in the day we were cuddling, remember back in the day we were thugging it. Life come with all type of shit, gotta juggle it.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jada Don. Damn, tweaking. It's your boy Jada D.O.N. I'm checking back in with another video for y'all. Today I got a POV. Got another POV for y'all. So, yeah, today I'm just gonna be chilling. I'm not gonna be doing too much in traffic, cause it is a lot of people out right now. But y'all didn't come from here. Y'all didn't come here to hear me talking. Y'all came here to hear the car. But we gonna get this video rocking and rolling, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the previous video. I appreciate all the love y'all showing right now. We're on the road right now to 300 subscribers. Almost there, man. We need about maybe 30. I'm lying. We need about like 28 subscribers to hit 300. But we're gonna keep grinding. We're gonna keep it going. We're gonna get this POV. We're gonna keep it short, sweet, and simple. I'm in traffic with it. It's broad daylight. But yeah, we're gonna get some pulls in. And we're gonna get the video going, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I ain't even in sport right now neither. That straight pipe, man. I'm telling you, if you don't have your car straight pipe, I highly recommend it. Not gonna lie, I highly recommend it. Cause whenever I do my cold starts in the morning, it just sounds so immaculate. Not gonna lie. And it sounds immaculate when you're on the paddles too. Like I'm downshifting right now. And let me know if y'all want a not a downshift tutorial. I'm stupid, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm illiterate. But let me know if y'all want a paddle shift tutorial. I'll bring that content for y'all. I'll bring that content. Because a lot of people, they have paddle shifters in their car, but they afraid to mess their engine up or something. But the only way you're going to mess your engine up is if you're redlining all the time. You're stalling your car out, you know. Extra strain on the engine. And, yeah, you don't want that to happen. But got a nice little tunnel right here. Throw it in sport for y'all. What's going on, man? What's going on? You turning left right here or what? What's going on? Dang, everybody, God. See? In traffic with it, man. In traffic. What's going on? What is going on? I knew y'all was turning right here. See, this would be having me hot sometimes. I knew that was turning right there. Could have kept it pushing. It is what it is, though, man. I'm gonna catch y'all after this light.
Okay.
You guys, I'm stuck in this traffic right now. Somebody in the front right now. It's creeping like a mug. But yeah, man. I'm just trying to get to my destination for real. This was a last minute video. But we're gonna get some back road pulls. Feel me? Some big pulls. Y'all know y'all love how that thing sound, man. the wind. Cut up on the back roads all day. The back roads of Mexico. I know they like, man, I hope this guy don't pull me over. I'm a civilian, my man. You can chill out. Gotta love the Mobile. Gotta love the Mobile. She's one of a kind. Cutting up, man. I will pass him, but it's a curve coming. I don't like being that dangerous. I'm a responsible, dangerous driver, if that makes sense. Drop in the comments if that makes sense. I don't think it makes sense, but then again, it makes sense. You could be a dangerous, responsible driver. Like, you don't gotta dumb out on certain situations. Like this right here. See, look at this. This right here is dangerous, but got a straight shot right here. You feel me? Dangerous. Ooh, you heard that pop? Ooh. That pop got a curve. Ooh, you heard that pop? Hey, look now. Starting to shake. I'm gonna need some new brakes. I'm gonna need some new brakes, y'all. Y'all like the video, I need some brakes. I need some brakes, y'all. Like the video. Oh yeah, you feel that? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I need some brakes, y'all. Y'all like the video? Okay, they ain't floor it like I want to no more. Cause I can't slow down. Gotta be able to slow down. To the channel, man, make sure you drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, we on the road to 300 subs, so make sure show your boy some love and support, man. I wouldn't be uploading videos if y'all weren't showing me as much love as y'all do. So I can't talk. But I'm gonna continue to keep bringing y'all fire content, the content that y'all want. You feel me? All the OG supporters, I appreciate y'all for still rocking with me, tuning in and showing love as well. But it's your boy Jay the Don, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. And we out of here.
Okay, bye.